What's up, sneakerheads? It's Paper Drew back with another quick video. Obviously, as you can see, this is a PacSun pickup over not this past weekend, but the weekend before that. PacSun had a pretty good deal. They usually run pretty decent deals online every now and again. It was like 50% off. Then it was like BOGO. Then it was like some other stuff going on. But unfortunately, that is over now. But yeah, so I went ahead and picked some stuff up. Actually, I put a lot of stuff in my cart. This is just like a mini kind of pickup. I had a lot more stuff that I actually had picked up. But I'm one of those people, man, I'll put stuff in my cart and then I kind of think about it and I'm like, man, do I really need that? No. And then I'll leave it there and then I'll go do something else, or something else will pop up and then I'll forget about it. So when I went back, a lot of the stuff that I had put in my cart was gone. Like I put some track pants in there. I put some other shirts in there and they were like gone. So, you know, that's one thing about, you know, kind of being an undecided or an indecisive person when it comes to, not really indecisive, like I just was like, I don't really know if I really need this kind of stuff. But, you know, I hardly buy myself clothes nowadays. So, you know, every now and again it's nice to splurge. But, so I got these here. Obviously, these are tan, olive, and black. Now, the sizing on these is different because they have, as you can see, it's the scallop fit. So that means they have like that, like the fit goes like this at the bottom. So it goes like that. So if you know what a scallop fit shirt, pretty much they fit long. So hopefully I have a couple of longer fit tees. If you know about the PacSun longer fit, I have these in small and they fit perfect. So we'll see. This is a 3-pack. This is perfect fall colors. It's tan, olive, and black. And I already have a black one, but you know, you can never have too much black, especially around fall time. It's perfect. You can wear these as undershirts, you can wear them as regular shirts, and you know, it's pretty much perfect. So I'm gonna try these on. Hopefully they fit, and I'll let you guys know. But the quality on these is good. If you guys have any of these PacSun type shirts, they're made in Vietnam. They got good, you know, they feel nice. You can wash them, they don't fall apart. So it's always nice to have that. So it's a 3-pack. I think this was, man, I paid for, this was like 30, they're usually like 40 bucks for this 3-pack. So you pay like a little bit over 10 bucks per shirt. But with the code that I had, I wound up paying 15 for all 3 of them. So, which is not bad. Then I wound up getting these pants here. These pants here. And they're 34 by 32. These are 34 by 32. And they're black. They got embroidered stuff on it. As you can see, it's got like thank you and different things. Have a nice day. It's got a cool little alien. And I had to get these, man, because I don't have many black pants. So I just had noticed that. I was like, damn, I don't have any black pants. And then I wound up buying another pair of black pants, and then I wound up getting these. So now I have like 2 pairs of black pants. They're not the same. These are more black, and the other ones I have are like multicolor Levi's. But I'll show you guys those if you guys want to see them. Then they got, you know, the paper with the contents if I wanted to do a return. So we'll see. Hopefully I won't have to do no returns. But just wanted to show you guys that. Did you guys know about that, you know, crazy PacSun deal? I think for all these things I wound up paying 40 bucks shipped, which is really not bad, considering, you know, you guys know some of the PacSun prices, and you, of course, you guys know the name brand stuff that they carry. Obviously this is PacSun branded stuff. It's not super, you know, expensive. It's not super upscale, but it's not like the cheapest of the cheap either. So usually they have good quality stuff. I'm gonna try this stuff on. If you guys want to see a fit of these with anything, let me know down below and I'll let you guys know. If you guys just want to know how they fit once, I think this is still in stock and these are still in stock as well. So if anybody wants to know how they fit, or anybody wants to see how they fit, you know, I'll let you guys know and follow up with that. So if anybody wants to know, let me know. Again, did anybody hit anything up on PacSun? Do you usually shop there or you don't shop there? Let me know down below. Enjoy the video, like, comment, subscribe, not because I asked you to, but because you enjoy the content. And as always, man, y'all stay blessed.